What?
I'm calling you to Crime Intelligence Headquarters.
Where?
Bukoto.
Mm-hmm.
Am I talking to Emmanuel Mbarasa?
How can I help you, please?
I've said I'm calling you to Crime Intelligence Headquarters.
As in what?
What?
As in what? What have I done?
Have I said that you have done anything?
No, you said
Yes.
you are calling me at Crime Intelligence Headquarters, right?
Yes.
Which means me, I know very well the issue of crime. Yes, I know the definition of crime. That's why I'm
Are you
saying.
Emmanuel Mbarasa?
I am, please.
Are you a police officer?
I'm not a police officer, please.
You are not a police officer?
I am. I am not.
You are from where?
Please, you called me, you wanted me to know. I wanted to know why you are calling me. Period. Just mention what you want, then I report. I reply positively.
So let me direct you where the office is located.
Sorry?
You are located in Bukoto. Along Bukoto Crescent. Me, my task was to summon you, the rest will be told by the director.
Sorry?
They told you someone, they gave me this number to call Emmanuel Mbarasa to report to Crime Intelligence Headquarters.
I report to, these days you summon people without any paper or what, you summon over the phone. I have where I come from, you can report the police, where I come from, then from there I know why you are taking me. Or I have where the village, where the LOC is, you can summon my LOC, I'll report to your offices.
I'm listening.
Yes. Is that how the way things are done? And which crime?
What?
How can you tell me that you report the crime intelligence department without telling me that we want this or this, you talk about this, we are going to talk about this, then I come prepared knowing what I'm going to talk to. But they just give you my number that you summon that person over which means and crimes, over basing on what? What have I done? I've never committed any crime, even in LOC in Uganda. Then why are you telling me to report at the Crime Intelligence Headquarters? What have I done?
You don't need to have committed any crime.
So you just say, okay, you follow me up to where the village I come from, you summon my LOC1. Period. Summon him, he will give me the letter, I will come. Or where the district where I come from, you can summon the CPS. He can. They can trace for me and I come and report positively because I don't have any crime in Uganda.
But I'm not sorry that you have committed any crime.
Then why do you say I report at the Crime Intelligence Office? Why?
I don't know why you are talking too much.
I'm talking too much. Why? We know how you people, you are threatening Ugandans now. This is an election time. So you are threatening people using your offices and your seats. Remember that office where you are calling me from. You will be one day, you will not be there. Because you called me, you are threatening me over the phone. This is Emmanuel, so what? I'm Emmanuel, what can you do? What have I done? I'm not a thief, I'm not a what? What have you done? What have I done, me?
And I don't know the meaning of threatening. Otherwise, I called you.
You can't summon me over the phone. I'm a Ugandan who is at least an elite. I'm a Ugandan. You can't summon me over the phone. Which kind of law is this? Which kind of law? What did you study in law? Is this the way how you handle things? Why do you threaten us? You threaten Ugandans. Why do you police officers? Why do you do this? Is this the way you do things?
Maybe that's the reason, according to our talking, that's the reason why you are being summoned.
No. Take away what have I done? What have I done? You summon a Ugandan over the phone. You can look for me anywhere you want. You can take me, you can kill me, but you would have not killed my soul. You are killing me for nothing. And let me tell you, supporting a political party which is different from NRM is not a crime in Uganda. I've told you that. Go and tell your bosses, but I've talked that. Stop even calling me. Stop even intimidating me. If you want me, you can follow me up and kill me. But supporting a political party which is being a political party something does not mean that I'm not a Ugandan, or does not mean I'm not a rebel in Uganda. I don't know how even to pull a trigger of a gun. Why do you make calls intimidating me, making calls which put my life in danger, all the time pressurizing me? What have I done? Do your bosses summon people when like just like over the phone? What is the use of the CPS of the district I come from? What is the use of the LOC1 from the village I come from? Can you summon those people and they reach the letter will reach me directly? Why do you do these things? Why do you intimidate Ugandans? What did we do?
All along I didn't know you.
Yeah, even if you don't know me, you don't know even in that language you're talking. We are all Ugandans, my brother. We are all Ugandans. Stop intimidating Ugandans. I've told you, you will not intimidate me. I'm not the first person to die. I'm not the first person to die, my brother. Let me tell you something. Even if you kill me, even you, where the clan you come from, there are people who died. Did they die all the malaria? They didn't die that. So I'm ready to face anything. Just because you can't kill me just because I have a political party I support. You can't summon me just because this Uganda is multi-party. It is a multi-party country. Why do you intimidate people? If you didn't want that there are political parties, you could have told these people that we only need NRM in Uganda. Why do you disturb us? What have I done? I'm Emma Mbala Salutaya. I come from Luuka district. You can follow me, you kill me. Do what you can. I've told you. I'm a Ugandan. I've not done anything. I'm not a criminal. I'm not violent. I've not done anything. Why do you start calling me? Moreover, beeping me, even on my airtime. You have money. You have bags of money. Why do you do these things and intimidate Ugandans?
You don't know who has called you.
Even if you know what, even if you do, if I don't know, my brother, me, I was born in Uganda. I'll die from Uganda. Can you do anything? You do anything. You have this world of Uganda is yours. You do anything, I'm ready to face.
I've listened to your wordings.
I've told you, no need of listening to my words again, and even don't call me again. Just look for me, okay? Just look for me. Being a fan of People Power or NUP is not a crime. Why do you threaten me all the time? Why do you call me doing this? Why do you take me to your torture chambers? Did I do anything wrong? Why do you threaten people? Why do you put our lives in danger all the time? Why do you whisk us away? Are we not Ugandans? Is Uganda not a multi-party country? Why do you do this, all these acts, these awkward acts? You people, you will pay for this one day, even if you are in security. There are people, Obote had a security military gang. Those guys, Museveni is not the firstborn of Uganda, is not the first president of Uganda. And you are doing this to Ugandans. You will pay it. Even your grandchildren will pay this. Stop doing this act. You should be godly in your heart. You should have that sense of human. Stop killing Ugandans. Stop doing this to us. You are doing this to me, Emma. I know you are following up other people in other districts. Please don't intimidate me. Me, I'm Emma. You will take me. You will do anything as you've been doing, but my spirit will not die forever. I've told you. And one day, even if Museveni goes off or not, he will die. He's also a person. Stop intimidating me, my brother. If you want, I have a CPS where I come from. I have a village, LC1 village, whatever. Someone those people, I will appear in person, positively. And you take me where you want. But stop giving me someone is over the phone. I need to eat lunch. I have not eaten lunch. Why do you do this to me? Why do you pressurize me? Crime Intelligence Headquarters. Doing what? What should I do to go? What have I done? What have I done? Tell me that you stole this, you did this, we need you here. And I think we have a CID department in my district. Why do this? Tell your crime intelligence officer. Tell you. Yabagamba yanteekako report nti kino ne kino. Pati mutumalako emirembe bisajja mmwe nga mutumanyidde. Mumalako emirembe nazza gwaki. Okubeera wa NUP nazza musango. Saagala omanyirire muganda wange toddamu nakunkubira busimu bwo obipinga na kubipinga muntu ng'otandika mutiisa ku ssente ze. Gw'osasulira omisolo gya Uganda. Nze muganda wange nno tolowooza nti bagenda kulimba nti ngenda kubatya. Nze sibatya. Ekyo nkubuuliriddewo. Nze sibatya. Kubanga bye munkozeeko bimala. Tolowooza nti ndi mwamuzannyo muganda wange nange. Sikwata mundu, sikola ki, ekintaasa naawe. Kweyogerera ng'omunnauganda. Nze tonkanga. Ekyo nkubuuliriddewo. Mu byonna simanyi tusingwire. So you are tusingwire. Me am Emambala Salutaya. You can do anything. Stop calling me being there in your AC. You report here and whatever. So what? You think it's the first time to appear there? Am I the first person to be in those chambers? I'm not the first. You've caught many, you've killed many. They are still being in FDC, in what? They are there. I'm not the first person. You've took many children of NUP in your torture chambers. They have come out dead and others are there. So even if you kill me today, others will raise up. But stop calling me. Stop calling me. Someone in the CPS, do the whatever, do things in the protocol. I advise you to do things in the right way. But stop doing this to Ugandans, my brother. The more you do this, the more we get hate of you. We are tired of you. Advise your boss accordingly. You'll be a very good officer. But stop intimidating us. Stop killing us. Stop this police brutality. Jemukola. You do these things. You work under one man order. Mbumuli munane partisan nga mudda kututiisa waneno. Nazza musango ki muganda wange nakola ki? Ene simu yange najigula ku lwange nabanzijako omusolo ate mbanzijako omusolo toddamu kumbipinga ku nsonga za crime intelligence. Siri mubbi wankoko sebo. Nvaako sikolangako bubbi bwonna mu Uganda. Ndeka nze munveeko. Byonna byokola bikole naye nze munveeko muganda wange. Nze siri mu kutiisibwa muganda wange. Ndeka bamuli banamaje, bamuli ba polisi, bamuli biki simanyi bukoto. Saagala kumanya nze mbeera luuka ndeka. You have all my data. That's why you registered endaga muntu. Nze munveeko. Mulekere kuntiisa reportinga na BH. Robo koyo recordinga ngombuulira nze nvaako obo bikoyi. Nze nvaako. Omaze ofuna data gwoyagala sebo.